Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will tell you how you can practice English every day and speak confidently very fast. If you are a beginner and feel shy while speaking English, then don't worry. This video will help you a lot. Many people think that speaking English is very difficult, but the truth is that English becomes easy when you practice it daily. You do not need perfect grammar in the beginning. You only need confidence and daily practice. The first tip is, speak English every day. Even if you know only a few words, try to speak them daily. Start with small and simple sentences like, "Hello, how are you? My name is Ollie. I want to learn English. I am happy today." When you speak every day, your confidence slowly becomes stronger. The second tip is mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and speak English for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Pretend that you are talking to a real person. This method helps you improve confidence and speaking skills very quickly. For example, you can introduce yourself like this. "Hello everyone. My name is Ahmed. I am from Pakistan. I am learning English because I want to speak confidently." At first, you may feel shy or nervous, but after some days you will feel much better. The third tip is listening practice. Listen to English every day. You can watch English videos, movies, cartoons, or podcasts. Listening is very important because it improves your pronunciation and helps you understand how native speakers talk. Try to repeat the sentences after listening. This is called the shadowing technique. It is one of the best ways to improve spoken English fast. For example, if someone says, "How are you doing today?" Pause the video and repeat the same sentence loudly. The fourth tip is learning new words daily. Learn at least 5 new English words every day and use them in sentences. For example, happy, I am happy today. Strong, he is very strong. Success, hard work brings success. Practice, practice makes perfect. Beautiful, this place is beautiful. When you use new words again and again, they become part of your daily speaking. The fifth tip is thinking in English. Most beginners first think in their own language and then translate into English. This takes time and creates confusion. Instead, start thinking directly in English. For example, if you are drinking water, think, "I am drinking water." If you are walking outside, think, "The weather is nice today." This small habit can improve your English very fast. The next important tip is, do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Every fluent English speaker made mistakes while learning. If you wait to become perfect, you will never start speaking. Remember this. The more mistakes you make, the more you learn. So speak without fear and keep practicing daily. Another great tip is recording your voice. Use your mobile phone and record yourself speaking English. Then listen to your recording carefully. You will notice your pronunciation mistakes and improve them slowly. This method is very powerful for beginners. Also, try to speak English with friends or family members. Even short conversations help a lot. For example, "What are you doing?" "I am watching TV." Let's practice English together. Daily conversation practice can improve fluency faster than only reading books. And one more important thing, be patient. Do not expect fluent English in just one day. Learning English is a journey. If you practice daily with consistency, you will definitely improve. Even 15 to 20 minutes of daily practice can change your speaking skills in a few months. So friends, start today. Speak daily, listen daily, learn daily, and never give up. One day you will speak English confidently and fluently. If you enjoyed this video, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. I will speak English confidently. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.